I'm here with the Samsung S95D OLED TV. This is Samsung's top OLED TV of the year, and if it's anything like last year's S95C OLED TV, there's a lot of reason to be excited for this thing to come out. We're here at CES 2024 to give you one of your first in-person looks. Let's go check it out. Like the S95C, the S95D comes in 55, 65, and 77-inch sizes. I have to admit I'm a little bummed they didn't offer something in the 80s range for the top OLED, and it also looks pretty identical to last year's model, right down to the thin 11mm frame and Samsung's One Connect box on the back for more convenient cable management. That said, it still looks very sleek and premium, but let's talk about what it looks like when you're actually watching content on it. We're looking at a 4K 144Hz panel that Samsung says is the first OLED with glare-free technology. That is a bold claim, but keep in mind that Samsung has a track record with anti-reflective technology and such from the Frame TV. I think I would have to look at the S95C and S95B side by side to see the true difference of glare-free treatment, but on the show floor the picture looked sharp and vibrant, and even though the room was way brighter than the ideal dark room for movie watching, I didn't notice any color distortion off angle either, and compared to a quote-unquote conventional OLED they had next to it, I could clearly see a difference. I didn't have the opportunity to test audio here, so that is something we'll analyze more later this year when we get in a review unit, but spec-wise it features Samsung's object tracking sound feature that promotes positional audio, and Q Symphony, which is basically just the branded name for the TV's built-in speakers, and a compatible soundbar working together to create a stellar soundscape. That said, there is a new feature called Active Voice Amplifier Pro that does pretty much what the name suggests. On the software side, Samsung's Tizen platform is getting one of the biggest upgrades we've seen in a few years. Noteworthy changes, or additions I should say, are audio subtitles with a focus on accessibility, a new home UX for Smart Hub making the TV the center of your smart home, and a new platform called Daily Plus that looks to unite some of Samsung's many services. There's of course some AI-based features too. First we have AI customization mode on all Samsung OLED TV and Neo QLED TVs for this year. It uses your personal viewing preferences to automatically adapt whatever you're watching to suit said preferences. We went over a lot about the Samsung S95D OLED TV in a short amount of time, so be sure to let me know if you have any questions in the comments section of this video. And be sure to stay tuned to our channel for all coverage of CES 2024. I can also guarantee that you're not going to want to miss what we're doing on social at Tom's Guide. And as always, I'm at Kate Kosich. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you next time.